What's up everyone? Cody from Wild West Lift Trucks here. I'm going to give you a little look at what we have in stock for a small portion of our used department. We have a tried and true Toyota forklift here with solid pneumatic tires. These are excellent if you have rough gravel, dirt, or a very old lot that you're using outside. These are the ones to have, in my opinion, just because of the tires and the extra suspension it gives you. And we also have this basically new 240-hour 8 Series Toyota. This thing came in, we got 3 of them. It's a 2014 and the customer only used it for 240 hours. So this thing's basically brand new, still under warranty if it wasn't so long ago that they bought it. This is our mid-grade, something like a little newer, but not as expensive as that pretty much brand new Toyota. And this is your Hyundai 5,000 pound triple side shift. This sucker runs about 5 or 6 grand. You have the new Toyota that's about 19.5, and you have that little Toyota right there that's about 35. So we have everything from old, new, mid-range, and this is only a portion of our inventory. We have 10 or 15 more forklifts for you to choose from, electrics as well. If you or anybody you know is in the market for these, give us a call.